done, we're out, we're saying goodbye to the house, making sure we have everything in our car. All right, let's go. Goodbye, house. See you in a month. We are on our way from Whangarei to Paihia. Basically, we're thinking of just tenting it up on the lake. We're, I think, 3 days in right now because our friends Dee and Kendra were so kind and let us stay at their house for 2 nights in Whangarei, and that was awesome.
You want to light it?
Here, I'm gonna get some shots of what we're about to come up on. Here in Cape Reinga. Behind me is Spirits Bay. We camped out last night in our beautiful tent here. The perfect location. Let me just show you that. Look at how gorgeous that setup is. Right under a tree. We're glamping here, okay? This is glamping. I know we're not traditional camping right now. He's trying to clean up and I'm just like standing in his way. Night we went on a walk on the beach, just in the nighttime with the moonlight. It was a full moon in Virgo. P.S. Yes. We went up to the tip of the light bulb, the tip of New Zealand. After, but we saw the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean meeting. It was like a straight line of the Atlantic and the Pacific. Beautiful, very beautiful. Just gonna pack up here, maybe go on a little trail hike. Gonna go to Tane Mahuta, so we'll see what that's like as we head down the line.
You're doing a good job there. You seem to be doing fine.
You good, babe? Yeah? Yeah?
I'm gonna fall asleep.
You gotta go!
I'm going.
I'm gonna tickle you with my toes. Alright guys, we made it. We are here right on the beautiful marsh. We have our fellow neighbor, P.s.B. over here doing the tent. And yeah, we're gonna unload Rudy. You put it down first.
You put it down first.
No.
It's a competition. Alright, I want to get the view.
at Hora Honeybees. So we got a sign here. Can you see that? That's the sign there. We wanted to stop in and get some pies or something to eat because when this guy doesn't get fed, he gets hangry. So we had to get him some food.
Yeah. I love the fucking steak.
Yum. That steak is nice.
Soggy as hell at the bottom.
I don't like soggy.
Sierra doesn't like soggy. Beef, cow.
Oh, she's soggy. Look at that.
But you can even do that to chicken as well, is that you grind it up and you turn it into chicken mince.
Mm-hmm.
And they use that for curries, pad thai, as well as pork mince. It's all the same. But mince, beef mince, is from a cow.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, yeah.
We get this in my mouth. Yeah, because I was so confused. I see mince, and I was like, that's just a style of cut. You're not telling me here if it's like beef mince, chicken mince, turkey mince.
Yeah.
I just saw mince.
Yeah. So the beef mince is any part of the meat, any part of the cow that's just been grinded up, combined it. Most probably don't want to know what parts,
Great.
but it tastes good. Tastes good. Yeah, that was your decision. Thank you. That was beautiful.
Thanks, babe.